Today, I'm excited to introduce to you one of our amazing loan products. It's called the community mortgage. What's a community mortgage? Oh, I'm glad you asked. So it's for self-employed business owners. Okay, self-employed and small business owners. It's for people with volatile or irregular employment, people who are retired, seasonal or gig workers, real estate investors, and real estate agents, right? Owners of and employees of cat business, and they have change of industry or type of employment, transitioning from a recent health, a family, or other life events, and looking to unlock the trapped equity in your property, or you're a recent immigrant. If you fall under any of these categories, you qualify for this kind of loan. Let's talk about the highlights of this amazing loan program. I'm glad, yeah. Okay, it must be a primary or secondary home, right? The credit underwritten based on LTV, loan to value, FICO, and liquidity. The credit is underwritten only based on what? Your LTV, loan to value, your FICO, and liquidity. Nothing else. Credit is not underwritten based on your tax returns, based on your W-2s, based on your bank statements. No, it's only based on your loan to value, your FICO, and liquidity. Income documentation not required at all, okay? And it's not stated income. Debt to income ratio not calculated. Don't calculate any of that stuff. Asset seasoning 30 days only. Right? So we gotta see this in your bank, that you have money in the bank for your reserves only 30 days. Like I said, okay, the down payment, the 15% or 20%, you don't need to know where it comes from. It can be a gift. But for your reserves, right, the 3-month reserve or the 12-month reserve, depending on your credit, we need to see that in the bank for 30 days. That's it. Only first page of your bank statement is required. Can you imagine that? We don't have to look at the details of your bank statement. We only look at the first page of your bank statement. The loan amount can go up to $3 million. $3 million. It's amazing that. I'll talk about recent immigrant. Somebody here just came into this country and they live in Washington, D.C., or they live here in Palo Alto. They want to buy a property. Guess what? They can go up to $3 million, the loan amount. Right? And all we need is the first page of the bank statement. How amazing is that? How can you see your business growing exponentially by all these things we're talking about? So LTV can be up to 80%, in some cases up to 85%. And then if they're refinancing, okay, they can also refinance the rate and term up to 80% if they're purchasing 80%. Okay, FICO beginning what? 640. Your FICO can be as low as 640, but that means that the reserves that we need might be 12 months as opposed to somebody has a FICO of 740. Amazing. And reserves 3 months, like I said. So this is an amazing program. Wouldn't you agree with me? So what are you waiting for? Do you know someone who is looking for this kind of loan? Yes, maybe you. We can help you out. Thank you so much. We're obsessed about your success always.